Karnataka mandates paid menstruation leave for all women employees. Now, this means 12 leaves a year. Women can take one every month or all together, depending on their cycle. And yes, this is over and above your sick, casual, and earned leaves. And there's also a warning that companies not following this will face legal consequences. Sounds too progressive, right? But here's what no one is talking about: the dark reality of the Indian corporate system. And we have seen this movie before. Remember the non compete prohibition? That said, companies cannot stop their ex employees from joining their competitors. Yeah. And yet, MNCs and startups continue to harass their employees. In fact, a young guy recently reached out saying he was sent a legal notice with a 2 lakh fine for joining a competitor. But wasn't that supposed to be allowed under the new rule? Exactly. That's the hidden reality behind these so-called employee-friendly laws. Now, let's talk about the new law around the menstruation leave itself. Here's what will actually happen. Firstly, women employees will now have to disclose intimate health details to avail this leave. And let's be honest, 7 out of 10 women employees will not be comfortable doing that. Next, knowing the reputation of our Indian managers, some will even ask for proof to approve this. Now, how exactly are women supposed to prove that? A medical certificate? It'll just lead to sarcasm, paper cut insults, and embarrassment for asking what's supposed to be your right. And of course, some companies will now adjust their leave policies by cutting down sick leaves, which will impact men too. And that's where workplace resentment and gender inequality at workplace will start. And lastly, since this adds to the business cost, many employers will simply avoid hiring women going forward. Simple business logic. So yeah, this is a great first step. But who's really going to ensure this is actually implemented without bias or fear? Only time will tell. And ladies, let's also make sure we do not misuse this law, because all it takes is one wrong example for companies to turn a great policy into a joke. All the best and follow for more.